Welcome to One Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have alkyne, which attach with two methyl group on terminal. You are reacting with two different reagents, sodium and ammonia, and palladium and barium sulfate, and hydrogen. You have to find what the difference it can make in the product. The reaction involves stereoselective reduction, whether the reduction happen in the cis way or trans way. The detail really in the mechanism because palladium and barium sulfate going through metallic reduction, metal always bind to the alkyne which is electron rich, so binding on the same phase, so cis alkene is possible. On the contrary, sodium and ammonia reduce through radical anion which is on same charge, so reduction happen through opposite pathway, so trans alkene is possible. The concept we outline here is metal reductions always lead to cis alkene and sodium and ammonia reduction leads to trans alkene. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.